The Pakistan Super League all players list. Lahore Qalandar. Brandon McCullum from New Zealand, captain. Umar Akmal. Devon Bravo from West Indies. Yasir Shah from Pakistan. Suhail Tanveer from Pakistan. Cameron Dolport. Muhammad Rizwan from Pakistan. Azhar Ali from Pakistan. Zafar Gohar from Pakistan. Sean Tyatt from Australia. Grant Elliott from New Zealand. Anton Dwich. Fakhr Zaman from Pakistan. Bilawal Bhatti from Pakistan. Ghulam Mudassar from Pakistan. Amir Yamin from Pakistan. Usman Qadir from Pakistan. Asif Badr from Pakistan. All players. Peshawar Zalmi. Shahid Afridi from Pakistan. All-rounder. Ian Morgan from England. Darren Sammy, captain from West Indies. Chris Jordan from England. Tamim Iqbal from Bangladesh. Muhammad Hafiz from Pakistan, all-rounder. Shakibul Hasan from Bangladesh, all-rounder. Kamran Akmal from Pakistan. Wahab Riaz from Pakistan. Muhammad Asghar, all-rounder from Pakistan. Alex Hales from England. Muhammad Shehzad from Afghanistan, opening batsman. Haris Suhail from Pakistan. Hassan Ali, fast bowler from Pakistan. Mukhtar Ahmed, opening batsman from Pakistan. Khushdil Shah from Pakistan. Quetta Gladiators. Sarfaraz Ahmed from Pakistan, captain. Kevin Patterson from England. Carlo Braithwaite from West Indies. Muhammad Nabi from Afghanistan. Umar Gul from Pakistan, all-rounder. Anwar Ali from Pakistan, all-rounder. Luke Wright from England, batsman. Ahmed Shehzad, opening batsman from Pakistan. Muhammad Nawaz, all-rounder from Pakistan. Tamal Mills. Asad Shafiq, opening batsman from Pakistan. David Willey from England. Rivan Paul from West Indies. Bismillah Khan from Pakistan. Mir Hamza from Pakistan. Karachi Kings, Kumar Sangakkara from Sri Lanka. Shoaib Malik from Pakistan. Chris Gale from West Indies. Muhammad Amir from Pakistan. Ken Pollard from West Indies. Babar Azam from Pakistan. Ravi Bopara from England. Ryan McLaurin from South Africa. Hamad Wasim from Pakistan. Mahela Jayawardene from Sri Lanka. Rahat Ali from Pakistan. Khurram Manzoor from Pakistan. Suhail Khan from Pakistan. Shahzeb Hassan from Pakistan. Saifullah Bangash from Pakistan. Amir Yamin from Pakistan. Islamabad United Champions. Misbah-ul-Haq captain from Pakistan. Shane Watson Australia. Mohammad Irfan Pakistan. Andrew Russell West Indies. Sharjeel Khan from Pakistan. Samuel Badri from West Indies. Saeed Ajmal from Pakistan. Brad Haddon from Australia. Smith from West Indies. Zuhaib Khan Pakistan. Khalid Latif from Pakistan. Muhammad Sami from Pakistan. Sam Billings from England. लव कैट फॉर यू देखते रहिए। इजाज़त चाहता हूँ। अस्सलाम।